I know. Life has been lifing, okay? I'm just been super busy with trying to change my career. Um, so it's been a while since I did my last Vroid video, so let's get into this tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling pretty lazy today. I don't really feel like turning on my webcam. So we're just going to go through the hairstyle without me being on the screen. It's probably better for you guys anyways. You probably like it better that way. So let's go to overall hair and then we're going to go to custom. I said I was going to try a wavy kind of hair. I've done it before for like similar hairstyle for a commission base, and I know some people were asking how to do that, so I'm gonna go through how to do this hairstyle. I'll just shut up and you'll just see what I mean. I'm just not gonna talk anything throughout this video, and then I'll probably do a voiceover if it's necessary. So I'm gonna be quiet. Like I said, I'm going to do a voiceover. So in this video, you can see that I'm just mapping out where I want the hair to lay. This hairstyle works best if you do it in layers. So the first layer, I'm just keeping it fairly close to the skull. I kept it a little bit of a way just for now, and then I'll just morph it around the skull how I want it. But this hair, you want it to be in C shapes. It's easiest if you use mirroring to replicate the hair on either side, so it leaves you with less work to do overall. And basically you just do that to wherever you would see fit for the hair to go around the skull. So I want it to be mostly in the center of the head and kind of framing out like where I would want to have like an undercut. So that's kind of where I was going with this hairstyle. But if you're going to do the full head of hair, you would want to do more so like the top and then the sides on one side maybe, and then kind of do like a straight kind of haircut. Just look at guys' hairs, you know what it would look like for that. So after I just changed the color of the hair because I just wanted it to be a little different and a bit more of a contrast, and then work, like I said, work in layers. So once you have the first layer, you kind of know where you want the hair to go, so just work in another layer. I think for this hairstyle overall I used about 2 to 3 layers, probably 3 I think when I did it. It's been a while when I made this. Like I said, it's been quite some time since I've made my last Vroid model, so change your structure, your sizing of the hair strands to give it some volume, and just play around with it. Obviously you want to change the thickness. Some things that I didn't catch on camera here. So after I finished this is like the second layer, so I did a third layer. And then I also colored the skull and added an undercut. I've done a video on how I do the undercuts and whatnot before. If I remember to link it, I'll put it in the iCards above. But if not, it's probably called baby hairs and undercuts for Vroid models or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I made that like almost a year ago. Yeah, so then I just took the same shade of his hair and kind of did a peppering, I would say, of that color around the base of the hair, so you can still see his scalp but still see like as if he'd like dyed his hair. And with the hair, you want to try to make sure these C shapes are changing directions around, so that way it just makes it look like there's more volume and they're just not blending in. So here you're going to see the final look, and let me know what you think. If this helped at all, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See ya. Bye.